too big. And I'm going to hold the tray in front of me. The good thing is, because they are close and they are almost touching, you don't need to do one by one. So we can just pretend we are in a professional bakery and we're going to do it all together. So that means I'm going for one line first here, then another line here, and then we're going to cross 2 by 2. So starting from the top, holding the piping bag, I'm going to start from the middle. And then fingertip on top, so you are not losing any paste on the tray. And I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. Right. Now, cross. And the last one. Good. So